Hi everyone,
Pradeep.
this is Rimjim here from 100 Crafts. Uh, we decided to have a special session for all our viewers, all our customers, all people who are looking forward to get interiors done by us. Uh, it is it is said that a home is your sanctuary. Take care of the house, and your life will be everything that you have ever wished for. We have to manage a lot of things while we are looking at a house. I will start here with a problem that we faced once, and that's how we came up to doing this session and wanting everybody to know about this. We had done up a beautiful saloon, a spa in a very posh area in Pune. The lady owned it up, and we were given the work of interiors. We did a beautiful design. Everything was as per the space management, ventilation, illumination. We looked up basic vastu for it. Yes, and we gave her a proper solution that an interior would be giving. It was well done up, quality was good, and she started her business. After 2 to 3 months, uh, she called us up and she said that Rimchim, before the work I had before the work was done, I had predicted few things that I will be making so much of money, I'll be doing this, I'll be doing that, and this renovation work didn't give me the results. It's not working out, and I'm not able to do my business in a proper manner. I think you guys have not done a good work, and that's when I started thinking that as per the technicalities, as per the sciences that we use for our interiors, we had done a good renovation work. So she should have got the benefit out of the work that was done. It's then that I thought of uh, uh, some other things, and I called up Ekta. Ekta is an expert in energy sciences. She understands all the sciences together, which is numerology, Vastu. And I thought once to consult her before we give any other solutions. So once Ekta had a meeting with the owner of the spa, she started finding out many aspects which cannot be taken care of interiors alone. It has to be combined with interiors. So we had to do some other changes, and Ekta is going to give light on whatever remedies were suggested. And I should add here that after 3 months of these changes, she called me up and told me that Rimjim, right now I'm making exactly 3 to 4 times the amount of revenue that I was making before. So that struck me a lot. After that, we started a consultation on a regular basis with Mrs. Ekta. And here she is in front of you. She's going to tell us how, with beautiful interiors, beautiful energies also need to be designed for a house, space, property, or a commercial space, office. And this is what she did for that particular lady for the saloon as well. Yes, Ekta. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? And
I'm good.
I'm really thankful that you have given me an opportunity to bring light on certain things which people usually ignore. That is the
Yes.
energies of different spaces. And I'm sure Vastu is obviously known to everyone, but people are really lacking in understanding the energies.
Right.
So the saloon that you're talking about, I'm really thankful that she also welcomed all our view and remedies and suggestions because she
Mm-hmm.
also was ready. And her point of view was very clear. That she wants to earn, she wants to attract new customer. She was
Yes.
very clear. Whatever that you want to do, do it. I want good money to earn out of this business. Secondly, I want a
Yes.
new customer. And third was my suggestion to retain the old customers because whosoever is coming, if they are feeling relaxed and they're feeling good energies there, so obviously they'll be sustained by her.
Mm-hmm.
So where we have started is actually yes, by understanding the energies of the space. Our mirror was not properly placed because in salon the mirrors plays
Yes.
very important role and it was something to increase the spaces. No doubt
Mm-hmm.
you guys did very beautiful work, but the placement of mirror was something that clashing all the energies. चारों
Mhm.
तरफ मिरर लगा देने से देयर वाज कांस्टेंट की जो एनर्जीज है वो सिर्फ क्लैश हो रही थी आपस में. So
Mm.
understanding that. Then second point was we have created a money point there. उसका जो wealth corner था, जो money corner था, उसके अंदर जो उसने water storage रखा हुआ था, वो हमने clear किया. We have
Mhm.
properly placed कि उसका money corner कहाँ होना चाहिए, उसका cash counter कहाँ होना चाहिए.
Mhm.
Then where she should be sitting. कौन सा में relaxation जो उसका spa point था. You guys have actually beautifully done that. So वो स्पार्क होने जब हमने एनर्जीज और कलर के साथ मिक्स करके बनाया, so that was something a satisfaction for the customers who were coming to her. So
Mhm.
first thing was we started with this. We started inviting new customers by creating the entrance that way. So obviously the number and the entrance cannot be changed. And these things with a combination of colors, which interiors was already been done, and right placements of the mirror, and then their money corner has really come up nicely. But third thing was what she was saying, even though if she's earning, उसका money बहुत ज़्यादा waste होता है. जैसे बहुत
Mhm.
सारे जो सामान वो खरीदती है waste हो जाता है, या लोग जो salaries ले जाते हैं they don't come back. So ultimately it's not about people or products. It's about her that she was not able to enjoy the profit that she was earning. So
Right.
sometimes the energies drives you कि आप उस money को enjoy नहीं कर पाते हो. That was a very personal thing. Where I
Mhm.
suggested and I checked her name, and I came to know when I was checking her personally that yes, she was not even having a planet where she can earn profit or she can enjoy money. And that was the best part, that she was also ready for that. If my little bit of correction of name can give me good money, and that can club with the energies of my business, because everybody set up a business or everybody is doing a job to earn money, whether
Yes.
you are in serving something. And if that a combination of your name numbers and your place combines,
Mm.
so obviously you will be earning huge. So not only this कि her income got 2-3 times, but people are not aware about कि उनकी energies या उनका जो time है वो उन्हें और भी multiple form में पैसे कमा के दे सकता है.
Mhm. Mhm.
So if
True.
it's not about कि see only the energy, the clubbing of everything is very important. Although her direction
Yes.
was south facing, so south facing also helped her, because the way we have created the money corners of our house, and we the place, and we have activated that. उसको active कैसे रखना है with a combination of color that you are giving.
Combination.
Because color is something every time you see
Yes.
you absorb.
Usually it is said that north direction is good. Usually it is said that north direction is good for the
Yes,
business. So it is
north
not always that,
northeast
right?
direction is
Depends on the
suggested.
person.
Yes, but sometimes see the south is, see every direction has its meanings. So
True.
certain place we have to take care of the direction when your date of birth doesn't match. Okay, but
True.
otherwise everything can be managed with a very easy remedies as well. If you are clear, if and you can tell you what exactly that you're looking out of that, then we can do
Yes.
that. So if she's
Right.
earning 3 times, I'm sure she will be giving you good results. After that, she's now into 4 times.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. She has referred many other customers after that, of course. So Ekta, I will be highlighting another project that we did together, and that was a case of an elderly couple.
Yes.
We had done their interiors as well, and they wanted to do some renovation work again, some refurbishment basically. And while talking to them, the lady was very close to me as a friend, because we had done interiors and we were in connect for the last few years, and she had become very close to me. So she started highlighting her some issues in the house, that they were having some relationship issues while they were out on vacation. It was okay, but when as soon as they stepped inside the house, it was not good energies.
Yeah.
They felt very disturbed and stressed with each other, and that was a constant thing going on. So that was very intelligent way of solving that problem that you had done. Please highlight that as well. It would be nice for others.
So that couple was something कि उनका जब personal level, क्योंकि interiors जब मेरे पास these couple came, so I when I checked their date of birth and name, everything was very perfect. हाँ. तो उनके planetary condition में कोई problem नहीं थी. They were really good. They were earning huge, and
Yes.
they had a love marriage, and everything was going good. So then it comes to the energies of the house now. what exactly. And the best was they entered a new project. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि कोई पहले से रह रहा था. So they entered a new project, a new house. They are the first resident of that place. So when I checked that place energy, then I come to know कि जो घर का number है, that is 103, and the husband number is also 13. So अगर हम 0 को इसमें से प्लेस कर दें तो दोनों का हस्बैंड का और घर का नंबर तो मैच होगी. And when it comes to wife, so she was in a completely different number, and the direction of the house main door was facing southeast.
Yes.
Okay, so southeast is something very heavy on the woman who is an elderly woman living in the house. So the moment she will be entering the house, pehle to 13 number is a Rahu ki Mahadasha. So it's not suitable to everyone. This house to be picked very smartly, very carefully. So now
you said 13 was the Rahu number, right? The video got stuck. So you said 13 was the Rahu number.
4 नंबर के जो प्लस पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो 13 नंबर के थोड़े ऑपोजिट हो जाते हैं.
Okay.
So this is a tricky number to work on. So it's not easy कि everybody should go and buy. आप देखोगे 13 नंबर बहुत पॉपुलर भी होता है. People मतलब फ्लाइट में सीट्स नंबर 13 नहीं होता है. And in abroad, if you go outside the India, 13 नंबर के घर बहुत मुश्किल से बिकते हैं. In India, people don't care about that. But 13 number is a smart lead. It's not that it's a bad number. So the person who's living there, the couple you have mentioned, the husband was not having any problem. So he, by chance his number was 13. अब थोड़ा सा माइनस ये ट्रिकी ये हो गया कि the house is also southeast facing. The house was southeast facing. उसपे नंबर भी राहु का हो गया. That to opposite. And that will affect the mental health of a woman. अभी उस घर में उनको रहते हुए 3 से 4 साल हो चुके थे, right? अब 3 से 4 साल में there are lot of circumstances they have gone through, hot discussions. So घर की जो energies हैं, which we oversee, which we completely ignore. तो उससे क्या होता है कि हमारी जो घर की energies होती हैं वो store हो जाती हैं, और जब वो store हो जाती हैं तो वो हम वही breathe in और breathe out करते हैं. So that we have to check. तो वहां पे हमने सोल्यूशन किया था उनका मेन डोर का, जाकि उनका जो साउथ ईस्ट फेसिंग है उसको कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं. उनके नंबर को बैलेंस किया था, उनके नाम को ठीक करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. They both were going hand in hand. And then we did something with the painting, colors, and we bought some plants, and we did very simple remedies, and they started breathing very nicely. जो suffocation feel हो रही थी,
remedies, yes.
So that is we have recommended some colors. कि किस कलर की बेडशीट्स होनी चाहिए. उनके हमने बेडरूम के with your help we have given them a good curtains and we change the colors. So this is something we keep on changing. We can bring any kind of changes.
Right.
We need only simple way to do that.
Solutions, yes. The whole point is that problem है अगर related to relations or money or health or there has to be tackled. That should be tackled, and there are very good ways and simple ways to do it, not always complex or not always very difficult ones.
Yes. So living with a problem is not normal. So for me, if something is triggering you, whether it's a money issue, whether it's your relationship, whether it's a health, you should not ignore, because there is a solution. उसको बढ़ने के लिए wait नहीं करना चाहिए, especially when it comes to the money problem. और मनी प्रॉब्लम ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एकदम से आ जाती है, एकदम से यू फील लैक ऑफ मनी. सो यू नीड टू चेक. अगर वो शुरू हो रहा है और आप उसको नहीं सॉल्व कर पा रहे हो, देन यू नीड हेल्प. क्योंकि मनी से आप जो टेंशन क्रिएट करते हो, आप अलग लेवल पे चले जाती हैं, घर पे इरिटेशन लेवल बढ़ जाता है, एंड यू क्रिएट अ स्ट्रेसफुल एनवायरनमेंट एट होम.
Yes. So I will conclude, Ekta, on both the problems altogether, that it is important to integrate the sciences, whether it is interiors or energy. While we plan interiors with a scientific approach, you are also planning the energies. You can plan energies together with that. And that brings, and secondly, it is important to customize it also per person. Like for each member of the house, there are some numbers associated. There are some the directions associated, and उनके फ्लैट के नंबर के हिसाब से उनको कंबाइन कस्टमाइज करना पड़ता है. right? So this is what am I right?
Yes.
Am I right in this,
So
saying this?
owner of the house, or
Yes.
the two important member, husband and wife, they both are very, very important. If it's a joint family, then obviously energies get different way. But when it comes
Mm-hmm.
to the owner, who is the earning member,
Right.
so house number, or if woman is doing a business from the house,
Yes.
ठीक है, then also the house energies are very important.
Very
Even though
important.
if you are doing commercial work somewhere else, आपका बिजनेस कहीं और है, आप उधर से अच्छा कमा रहे हैं और घर आते हैं और आपको अंदर आते ही स्ट्रेसफुल लगने लग जाता है, हेवी लगने लग जाता है, आप एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करते हो कुछ भी,
Right.
आपकी फाइट होने लग जाती है, आप बहुत अच्छा दिन स्पेंड कर कर आए हो ऑफिशियली, द मोमेंट यू एंटर अ हाउस यू स्टार्ट रिएक्टिंग इन अ डिफरेंट वे. So this is
Mm.
something we need to check on the energies. Then something is
Yes.
not going hand in hand.
Yes.
And date of birth of the house and your number of the house, it's very important because आपका जो house number होता है वो planet में change होता है और every planet has a vibration and energy to work on. अगर आप
Mm-hmm.
शुक्र ग्रह पे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली आपकी फैमिली लाइफ अच्छी है, आप 6 नंबर के घर में रह रहे हैं तो फैमिली लाइफ लग्जरी हमेशा अच्छी रहेगी. 4 नंबर के
Mm.
घर में रह रहे हो तो मैनेजमेंट डिसिप्लिन अच्छा रहेगा. But that should get complemented by your date of birth.
Date
It
of birth.
it works like hand in hand, सोने पे सुहागा कर देती है क्योंकि घर की जो एनर्जी होती है, आप कहीं से भी पैसे कमा के लेकर आए, अल्टीमेटली ब्रिंग इट एट होम.
Mm.
You want to enjoy it with
True.
your family members. तो अगर
True.
कमर्शियली भी थिंग्स अगर गोइंग हैंड गुड अच्छे से चल रहा है, पैसे कमा रहे हो, पर अगर आप उस मनी को घर पे एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हो, देन ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ वेस्ट. बिकॉज दैट टाइम, दैट इरिटेशन जो आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो अपने लाइफ का, वो मोमेंट यू कैन नॉट बाय बैक विद मनी.
Very true. Very true.
जो हम
Exactly. And we
पेमेंट
live for the moments.
करेंगे.
We live for these moments. We have to
Yes,
enjoy each moment, and why to go
yes,
let it go waste? So
yes.
with this, I come to come to a third case where we did this project together from the very beginning. And I remember that when I went to meet this couple with a teenage son, they in the house I saw that there was some disturbances, some issues going on with the teenage boy, and the parents highlighted that his room should be according to him, and he is very finicky, and this is what he likes, what doesn't like, and he was constantly interfering that this is not, I don't want this. So again, by that time we had started working together, and I had consulted you, Ekta, what should we incorporate in this boy's room so that he is calmer, he is happier, and his teenage age goes by with fun and not anxiety and all these issues. So please highlight that as well. It was a very
Yeah,
interesting case. How we integrated from the very beginning.
yeah, his parent was looking for something about good aims और कि इसके करियर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से करना है, where we have recognized कि अभी anxiety level को काम करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes.
Because if he's confused, he has so many ideas and he wants to go in all the direction which every teenagers go through. उसको सब
Yes.
पढ़ना है, उसको वो भी करियर बनाना है, उसमें भी करना है. So that is something we have to work on the root to understand what energy the kids have, what is the time frame of his life going on, what kind of planet he is. Sometimes when we go through with the teenagers, when we do our rooms for the kids or especially with the teenagers, we should see his name first. अगर हम उसका date of birth और name को study करते हैं and he is in that phase जहाँ planetary condition उसके नाम के हिसाब से is in on anxiety level और karmic period
Yeah.
where he is going to struggle. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, उनको रिजल्ट नहीं आता है तो भी उनका एंजाइटी बढ़ जाता है, इरिटेशन बढ़ जाता है. So we started with that. We worked on his name, then we worked on his room, we worked on कि हमने उसका concentration focus increase करना था, उसको calmer mind, peaceful mind देना ज़्यादा important था. So at that time we also used the color combination because color is something keeps playing and healing. Color has their own energies to keep working on. आप
Yes.
किसी भी चीज को, किसी भी आइटम को लाकर घर में रख दो ये बोलकर कि मैंने गूगल में पढ़ा था और इस आइटम से बच्चा पढ़ने लग जाएगा, उसके गोल्स हाई हो जाते हैं, that doesn't work personalized way. So understand what that your individual child is going through is important. What exactly
Yes.
he or she wanted. और पहले उसकी प्रॉब्लम क्लियर करो, bring out the energy where he can focus, where he is sitting. उसका स्टडी प्लेस टेबल कौन सा होना चाहिए, किस
कौन
कलर
से
का होना
डायरेक्शन में
चाहिए,
प्लेस होना चाहिए।
प्लेस करना चाहिए, कौन से कलर्स होने चाहिए, उसकी बुक्स किस डायरेक्शन में होनी चाहिए. So all these things really matters when you are working on a team.
So I remember that time it had become very easy because initially on while we were doing the layout planning, you had given us all the remedies from before and we integrated everything from the very beginning. And later on, now he has started really performing well, and his parents have acknowledged it to me that with the integration of this, it has helped them a lot. I mean, slowly you feel it. Immediately, pata nahi chalta hai, but slowly, yes, in
No, you
few
have to study. You
months.
have to really study to really wanted to give them a perfectly right result, getting into the root problem. And
Right.
I'm really thankful that you guys really take care of the material और जो धातु का हम use करते हैं and you bring
Yes.
that color. It is really important because in Vastu or when we stabilize energy, we don't use plastic at all. So
Yes.
Rimjim, your team is really doing good because अगर उनको बोलो कि कुछ इस this is the place where we have to do a very halka but that vastu those should be covered beautifully, you guys really come up with a very amazing ideas. So
Yes.
making
Thank
it
you.
very unique. So anything which is negative is also in the house and it can
Yes.
be beautifully combined with interiors
Combined.
because for my is something to giving you solutions
Yes.
to beautify that place, to bringing the right colors. मतलब
Yes.
color बता दिया green, but what kind of green color will suit that and the combination, it is
What
really
will
good.
go with that theme? What will go in that room? That
Yes.
has to be thought of because we have
So
to go
the
with the
best
design
is
theme as well.
material, the dhatu, and the one मुझे याद है when we have started doing one project and I wanted to क्योंकि कुछ heavy करना है और उधर हमें steel भी डालना है और copper भी डालना है. So you came up with a very unique ideas and the client was really happy कि wow यार ये interior मतलब it's looking very unique. So we incurred
Yes.
all the colors there, especially the copper one. It was really
Yes.
difficult, but
We had done the full wall with that with the strips and the wallpaper combined together, and it was looking amazing. Yes.
yes.
So
So
both the
that's
solutions were there with this vastu as well as interiors. दोनों का काम हो गया था उसमें. पहले
yes.
से integrate करना is always good. So let us highlight the ideal way in which it should go. The ideal way in which. So tell me, Ekta, what is the right time, the exact ideal right time to start understanding what number should be my house or what should I select for my house? Where does it start?
So if you are selecting a house, yes, it's a very good decision to make it initially to recognize and get it an expert help in that. Because for me, when I help in selecting a house for someone, I will be definitely studying both of the numbers of husband and wife
Right.
first, and then what kind of number. See, house number is very important. और कोई ध्यान नहीं देता अगर घर का नंबर मान लो किसी का बर्थ डेट ऑफ बर्थ इज 1 and
Yes.
he or she is selecting a house number 8, then it's completely wrong. It's not a right combination. और वाइफ को अगर वो 8 नंबर सूट करता है तो भी हम वो रिकमेंड नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हस्बैंड को सूट नहीं करता. Then we have to come to the neutral number. So what we may be doing is something where I help is something कि इस डायरेक्शन के कितने हाउस नंबर्स हैं जो मुझे इस सीरीज में मिल सकते हैं. सेकेंड थिंग, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि अगर आपने वास्तु कंसल्ट करा है तो आपका फ्रेंड बोल रहा है कि मैं उसी साइड में ऊपर वाला घर ले लेता हूँ, तो आपने तो कर लिया है तो ये वाली साइड तो ठीक ही होगी, ये सीरीज ठीक होगी. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग क्योंकि हो सकता है कि आपका जो फ्रेंड है वो बिजनेस में हो और उसको फेम की ज्यादा जरूरत हो और वहां पे साउथ ना हो और आप जॉब में हो, आपको रिकॉग्नाइजेशन चाहिए, आपको पैसा चाहिए कंफर्टेबल वे में जो नौकरी से आ रहा है, तो आपको नॉट डायरेक्शन प्लस करनी है. आपको फेम का भी आपका बिजनेस ऐसा है ही नहीं जिसमें आपको फेम की जरूरत है. तो इस तरीके से इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि एक ही सीरीज का घर सबको सूट कर जाता है. डिपेंड फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन एंड देन रोल प्ले बाय डेट ऑफ बर्थ, हाउस नंबर, और हाउस नंबर गेट इनटू वन प्लैनेट नंबर. उसकी अपनी वाइब्रेशन होती है और उस प्लैनेट के अंदर आप रहते हो और आपका रिएक्शन बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है उस प्लैनेट के हिसाब से. जब आप रिएक्ट करने लग जाते हो आपके घर की एनर्जीज उस हिसाब से हो जाती है.
In this situation of we are undergoing this COVID situation now, and a lot of customers are calling me right now asking me about work from home office setup. in their houses. So, how do you think? What are the best things that can be done for somebody who requires a work from home space, and we have to design it? What all we should keep in mind, and what all our customers who are the viewers who are listening should generally keep in mind? Of course, we will do a personalized thing, but what are the important items to be taken care of while doing that? Because kids का भी study है, उनका भी office, सब कुछ घर से होने वाला है long term.
Yes. So, see, obviously, a lot of people going on with the same situation right now. But what exactly is something that if there is a space constraint, your
Yeah.
house is already not been designed to work from home first. क्यों हम लोग
Yes.
को सिर्फ अभी फिलहाल हमारे डाइनिंग टेबल्स मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेस में हमारे ऑफिस टेबल बन गए हैं कॉन्फ्रेंस उसमें खाना भी वहीं खा रहे हैं और वी आर ऑन द लैपटॉप लाइक दिस. So ideal is something if you have a study room in your house, so
Yeah.
please occupy that space. And it's not necessary that everyone going to get the wall of the south direction or
Right.
south extreme south direction. What I will be suggesting here is something where I will be suggesting is something कि आप जब भी काम करें आपके पीछे वॉल होनी चाहिए.
Right.
ठीक है. फॉर दिस आपका आगे स्पेस होनी चाहिए और पीछे वॉल होनी चाहिए. ऑल्दो इफ इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कि अगर आपको आपके घर में यूजुअली शुड बी साउथ वॉल, बट अगर आपके घर में आपको साउथ डायरेक्शन नहीं मिलती है, आप नॉर्थ रूम में हो, देन ऑल्सो लुक फॉर अ साउथ वॉल इन द नॉर्थ रूम. हर वॉल में चारों सो देन यू कैन क्रिएट. बट ऑब्वियसली आने वाले टाइम में ये स्पेस का एक बहुत बड़ा टारगेट है एंड आई होप यू विल बी गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ वर्क for this to create that space.
Yes, yes. We are already getting a lot of inquiries.
हाँ, तो लोग अभी बाहर जाने नहीं वाले.
हाँ,
So
बच्चे भी तो घर पे ही रहे ना कुछ few months, बच्चे भी घर पे ही हैं तो उनकी भी studies के लिए areas करना है.
Now anything that I really want to share one thing with you. Anything that you do it on the dining table, you are multiplying it.
Yes.
If you're doing your work, you are multiplying. Kids are doing their homework, they are multiplying, but they are studying something, it's fine. So eating food is the actually a right job to be served on dining table. Please make sure you do that. उसको छोड़ के बाकी सब काम होता है. लोग खाना अपने अपने रूम में ले जाते हैं and we sit on the. So that is wrong. So anything that you want to multiply, do it on dining table. अगर ऑफिस का काम कभी खत्म नहीं होता तो stop working on dining table.
So Ekta, we have lots and lots of things to discuss with you, but I think we should take up few questions which are coming up.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So I will be putting across few questions to you which are coming up from the audience, from the viewers. This is Hi Rimjim. With work from home becoming the norm, the problem is I don't have a predefined space for home office. How do I connect with you for getting a solution? So you can connect with me from the 100 Crafts website. We have an inquiry form there. Do fill in the form, and immediately in 24 hours, somebody will get in touch with you. And Ekta will talk about we just discussed the home office space. You should have a wall behind you, and there are some few more things that you can add in the room for good energies. So Ekta, please highlight those.
Yes. So what is your see, according to your date of birth, if I don't know how many people knows about it, but according to date of birth and your study table, and if the direction of your vision board is also aligned, so that also work very nicely and come out very nicely. So if you're working from home and you want to create a money corner, especially with the people who are doing the business from home, then we can actually create a good money corner according to your house energies and direction, where we can put that you can create good new customers, attract new customers in your house if you're doing home business, and then obviously retaining and creating a lot of profit out of it.
Yes, and if you're working in some corporate, then there would be some paintings, plants, the color scheme of the room, all these things can be done.
Bringing money at home is the key point. So everybody wants to bring money at home.
Yes. Hi RJ. In apartment numbers, there is an alphabet in apartment numbers. How do we calculate the number? Example S143.
So you need to keep S143 only, because 143 is becoming 8 and you have not mentioned your date of birth. So otherwise 8 number is very good to go. हाँ, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि 8 नंबर खराब होता है. 8 नंबर वाला कई बार घर जो होता है, it gives you a lot of money. हाँ, lot of business success. आपकी
Yes.
professional growth बहुत boost करता है. But if you want, if you can, मतलब if you would have mentioned your date of birth along with this, so it
I
would
think
have
he wants
cleared
to
more.
know if S needs to be converted to a number.
No, no. I want to know the date of birth. Then only we can convert S. Otherwise, if
Okay.
अगर date of birth के हिसाब से 143 चल रहा है, तो I can avoid S also.
Right. Right.
Otherwise, S also stands for 1. So that's not a problem. It will become 9. But what if their number is 1?
Mm-hmm.
Then we need to convert. So what
So
is the date
Adarsh,
of birth?
it boils down to combining all the three: your date of birth, your name, the number that comes through your
Sometimes
name,
the
and
balance is the alphabets.
the
क्योंकि घर
alphabets
का
and
नंबर भी
your
चेंज हो
house.
सकता है. जो ऑलरेडी रह रहे हैं, जो ऑलरेडी रह रहे हैं,
Yes.
जिन्होंने घर सिलेक्शन के टाइम पे नहीं किया है, तो जो
Yes.
ऑलरेडी वहां रह रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए उनको उसको बैलेंस करना पड़ता है कि अगर हाउस नंबर मैचिंग है, आई विल आस्क देम नॉट टू यूज अल्फाबेट बिफोर दैट. अपने घर के बाहर अल्फाबेट मत लगाओ.
Huh.
बट अगर
Plus,
डेट ऑफ
if you're not having any issues, I'm
यस,
sorry. Plus, if you're having no issues in your house, then it's okay. Your date of birth is 1st April 1974.
so the first has come, so then he needs to
Yeah.
mention S.
Yes. Okay. Mention
So this
S
is
then,
how,
please.
yeah, this is
Yeah.
how we work.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ikta. Thank you so much. So, Mr. Gunjan, he's our customer. Hi, Gunjan. He's asking how Vastu is important in naming an apartment.
It's very good. Give them a positive note. This house is a beautiful house. We are a happy family. God के ऊपर लोग लिखते हैं साई निवास या कुछ करके. It's good to keep the name.
And keep an auspicious name, I think.
Yeah, auspicious, a positive note also you can keep it outside your house. Welcome, मतलब welcome energies point of view. We welcome positive people. We are a happy family. Welcome you. So main door and your entrance, your name plate plays very important role in Vastu.
Right, right.
So keeping name of the
Hope we,
apartment.
hope we answered your question, Gunjan. Okay. Okay, so it seems that there are few more questions, but I think we are running out of time, Ekta. We are going to do some more sessions, and it would be related to some more important, a lot of important topics that we have connected to the home. And I wanted to highlight that when we are looking at a home, when we are designing a property, we always think of long-term happiness. It is a long-term investment. So the returns need to be long-term, and the returns are mostly in terms of the happiness, the peace, the way the family is growing, the way the kids grow, and they get recognition in whatever they are doing. All these things is there in our mind, and I think you should highlight how you do integrate with your work, how it integrates with us, and how easy it is for you to integrate your energies with our interiors.
So see, the commercial business or it's a house. So if it's a commercial business, is it rented or it belongs to you? Ultimately, you are investing your energies and money in that. You invest in interiors as well. But doing the right type of interior is important, with the right combination of energies is important. In the same way, you're living in a house, you need a unique taste. You need, because house is something, a storehouse of your energies, is an extension of your subconscious mind, and everybody has a different taste. So every house, whether it's rented or your own, so never think that कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Is it normal? It's fine. हम will move on. या हम shop change कर लेंगे. People easily says this. But
Yes.
अगर आपने कहीं invest कर रहे हैं, interiors करा रहे हैं, और उस चीज को आप इस तरीके से समझिए कि आप जब घर के अंदर आ रहे हैं तो आपको कैसा फील होता है, या अपनी शॉप
Right.
के अंदर घुसने में कैसा फील होता है.
वो
एकदम आते
वो
ही सब
अवेयरनेस होनी
कंप्लेन,
चाहिए, वो
ये
अवेयरनेस होनी
सफिशिएंट
चाहिए,
होनी
राइट?
चाहिए,
हाँ,
अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए. अगर आप अपने ऑफिस में भी जा रहे हैं, अपनी शॉप में जा रहे हैं, या सैलून में एंटर कर रहे हैं, somebody just start your day with कि ये हो गया मैम, या ये हो गया सर, अभी ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये एकदम there is a stressful environment. So it's a checkpoint to understand कि where there is some energies are going wrong.
right.
So whether it's an office, whether it's a home, it should look beautiful, rightly done with a beautiful interior, uniqueness. Because आप जितना beautiful चीजें देखते हैं, आपका mind उतना relax होता है.
Right.
Being whatever the energies, आप अपने ऑफिस में जाओ या घर में जाओ, अगर आपको अंदर घुसने के बाद एनर्जीज वेलकम फील नहीं होती है, स्ट्रेस फील होता है, बर्डन फील होता है, हेवीनेस फील होता है, या काम करने का मन नहीं करता, then obviously you need to check the energies. And when we combine the, because obviously आप लोग already वास्तु को अगर इग्नोर भी कर दें, हम अगर इंटीरियर्स भी कर रहे हैं, तो जो एनर्जीज हैं, जो स्टूड एनर्जीज होती हैं उस जगह की, उसको एक्टिवेट करना और नेगेटिव एनर्जीज को क्लियर करना कांस्टेंट तरीके से, दैट कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इंटीरियर एज वेल.
Right.
तो उसके लिए अलग अलग से करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
अलग से करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Very true.
So you can combine it that with कि किस तरीके से हम ये जो
Yes.
इंटीरियर करा है, जो यूनिकनेस लेकर आए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेस्ट, ब्यूटीफुल करा है, उसको एनर्जी से बैलेंस कर देते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ठीक है.
Yes.
उसको अगर हम एनर्जी से बैलेंस करें, उसको ब्यूटीफुल बना दें, तो ऑब्वियसली विल फील गुड. और फीलिंग गुड इज आल्सो अ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी दैट यू क्रिएट इन योर हाउस ऑन अ रेगुलर
Right.
बेसिस. So that will definitely boost your professional life as well.
There's one last question, Ekta. We will take it up. If we don't have a study room, which corner can be used as working corner? Can we highlight two corners in in total different areas?
Both two people are working in the office. Oh.
Both the people, husband wife, तो रहता ही है आजकल. Both of them are working there.
So in that case, I will be suggesting one should please ignore the southeast direction completely.
Okay.
Southeast को ignore करो अपने घर के अंदर, because southeast is something Rahu corner also.
Right.
So अग्नि का corner होता है, उस पे हम अग्नि पे बैठ के काम करेंगे तो will always be short tempered, will be taking a wrong decision sometimes. So what I will be suggesting is to both of you, if you want to sit in a different corners, so pick up the एक extreme southwest corner में जाओ, जो भी आपका घर का है, और somebody should sit in the south corner.
Yes. Yes.
तो अगर आपको साउथ वेस्ट और साउथ बिल्कुल पास पास भी हो गए हैं, then you can shift little bit in the other room. But उसका साउथ कॉर्नर ढूंढो.
Okay.
Then you can sit separately and work.
All right. So hope Pranav, we have answered your question. Okay. Charu. Charu is our customer. Hi, Charu. Thank you for the question. My son's health is not very good. He keeps falling ill frequently. Now we will shift in a villa. How can we take care of that? So we have already designed it, Ekta. I will send you the plan. I will send you the image that we have done for the kids' room. But do let us know what all can be done to keep health in check.
We need to check the sun name and date of birth.
Right.
In this, what kind of planetary changes is going on, and how frequently then we need to speak to each other, how frequently, and how what kind of medication he is, and then we will be working on it. We can be healing him constantly with any kind of remedy after checking his complete details.
Yeah, because as a generally नहीं बता सकते चारू. We have to, again, it is about personalization. जितना integration का है, उतना ज़्यादा personalization is important. So we have to look at the case individually. Ekta will have to study on it.
Frequently ill, it's not good.
Not good.
We need to check that.
Sign. Yes. So we will conclude it now, Ekta. Thank you so much for giving your time and so much of knowledge. And of course, I'm thanking you for helping us so much in our projects that we are doing together. So I will want to end with another quote. A home should rise up to greet you, and you should your home should tell a story about you, and be a collection of what all you love. So this is by Nate Barkas. He's an interior designer from US, and I really love this quote. This has always been our passion to deliver the very best, whatever we can, in terms of designs, in terms of quality, in terms of the service. And now I'm really happy that we are adding on the energy, the positive energy element also, which would really add up to the happiness and blissfulness of customers who come to us with their problems. A home is not just a home, it is a dream, it is an aspiration. A lot of people save a lot of money for a long time to get this done, and it should be correct in one go. There should not be
Yes.
many mistakes, errors,
Yes.
and changes and rechanges, civil work to be done later on. So initially, if everything is taken care of, uh, and and of course we will be adding on to these studies more and more, jitna bhi hum add kar sake. In some time again we will call Ekta with few more important topics for the house. Till then, thank you so much, Ekta. Bye bye, have
Thank
a
you
good
so
evening.
much
Thank
for
you all the
giving me a
viewers
chance
for
to put
watching.
more light.
Thank you so much. Bye.